Now over. Ready for it. Raise your hands, raise your thumb. India's my country. All your sound. My prince is proud. I love my country and I'm proud of its rich and very heritage. So always try to be worthy of it as your parents, teachers, and all elders. Respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I place my devotion in your well-being and prosperity and all life my happiness. Now over. Good morning. Today headline. Two MLA returned to power search for tax haggling and CP cap. CBI named Tejasvi